Hey everyone, it's Jasmin. Welcome to my room tour. Over here we have the corner that I like to call my Mexico corner. I absolutely love that painting. I watched the young man paint it in front of me in Mexico and I fell in love with it, so I had to take it home. This jewelry container holds the jewelry that I wear most often. Over to the left, we have my lotion station. I also have my diffuser. My favorite scents are eucalyptus and the sweet orange. I also have this jewelry box that holds most of my baby jewelry, and then my favorite colored nail polish. Above we have my brand new spider plant. She's doing really well. I just trimmed her babies. I made that basket a couple of nights ago and I'm still not too sure what to do with the top of it, but I like it for now. Here we have my TV and my fireplace. I just got a brand new Xbox, so I'm really excited to crush some Halo. I've also been using my Xbox for Spotify. I'm listening to Hannah McNeely's playlist called Get Dressed Hannah. Behind the Xbox we have my Jasmin plant. That bowl it's in is really important to me because it came all the way from Poland. My mom was actually born in Poland. She came to Canada when she was 7. Moving on to my bedside table, I have this little toy. I'm not too sure what it's called, I have to look it up, but my grandma got it from me and it's definitely something that everyone always plays with as soon as they come into my bedroom. Here we have Lumpy Space Princess, just gotta make an appearance. Moving up to my windowsill, I have my pothos plant. She's doing really well in here as well. I have a couple of succulents and then my spider babies. I'm really looking forward to watching them grow. And my favorite part of my bedroom, my bed. It is so cozy. I have a couple throw blankets on there. My sheets, I think I got them from the big box outlet. My mom likes to shop there a lot, so that's where we find a lot of our discount items. I have my yoga mat and my exercise ball for when I feel like doing some yoga, and my closet. We'll definitely have to do that in a whole nother video. Next we have my desk. I keep all of my journals here, my sketchbook, my laptop, and all of my makeup. This is where I get ready for the day and do my skincare routine. I have way too many lipsticks. Another new addition to my bedroom, I have a peace lily. She's also doing really well in here. She perked up as soon as I brought her in. To the left of my peace lily, we have my pride rock. I have both of my house hippos here and a character stone I got from Montreal, all behind my salt lamp. I think it looks pretty neat. On my shelf I have all of my favorite books as well as this beautiful mirror that I thrifted from Value Village. I got that for only $7. And there you have it. That's my room tour. Thank you so much for watching and like the video if you like the video.